Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video we're taking a look at my song, Even In by Spencer Cormany. That's me. If you haven't checked out the song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this video. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial, so if you want to learn even more of those, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords for you to try out. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Author of the universe, you see the pain. You know I heard all our days ordained within your plan. No suffering too great or small for you to use to prove your God and bring about your glory in the end. Give me ears to hear, voice that's clear and hard to trust, that you're still near. Give me eyes to see eternal things in the faith that lies through the suffering. Architect of the world, created all and called it good. You've spoken to the chaos of the void, and I believe you'll do the same as your spirit breathes upon my page, coming out of your way in all my life. Give me ears to hear a voice that's clear, hard to trust, that you're still near. Give me eyes to see eternal things in the faith that lies through the suffering. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, God, I know you were faithful. You were always near. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you are faithful. You are always near. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you are faithful. You are always near. So give me ears to hear the voice that's clear, the heart to trust, that you're still near. Eyes to see eternal things, the faith that lies through the suffering. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, God, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you are faithful. You are always near. Congratulations, now you know how to lead my song Even In with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you try this song in your church, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know how it went. Also, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you learned all throughout the tutorial, I've got you covered. I've got even more of them down in the description below. There's a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords. Also, I'm still trying out this new format for tutorials, so if you like it and you find it simpler and easier to learn from, let me know in the comments below. If you're like, Spencer, I just want you to go back to the old way that you did tutorials, that's fine too. Just thought I'd try something new. Either way, let me know in the comments below. And other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.